Hello guys, it's me Michael, and I'm gonna be doing an episode of the joystick. Sorry guys, I just wanted to do that. So I'm gonna start off with the two bottom ones. I'm gonna go up two. So yeah, I'm gonna play every single one. So I'm starting off with Mappy. I played this game before, I'm super good at it. So yeah, let's start playing. Okay, so this game, I really want you guys to enjoy it, so I'm gonna be quiet. Yeah. Alright guys, so that was level 1, now it's level 2. That was weird. Okay. Okay. That was weird. No. Sorry for the people that are enjoying this. Man, that was awesome. No! I wasn't really crying. I was just pretending. I was practicing. Whatever. That was weird. And awkward. Run! Please tell me this is the last one. Please tell me this is the last one. Yeah! Level 3. Sings. So no, guys, I'm just trying to rush through this. Earnings 200 out of 8. 1. Did I? Please tell me I got another life. Aw, I gotta go to the bathroom. Bad. Okay. Please don't be up here, please don't be up here, please don't be up here, please don't be up here. You. Oh, that was a good thing. Goro, the red cat, is super dumb. That's a good thing. Rock the doors. Walk the doors? What does that mean? Walk the doors. I'm sorry guys that I'm not that quiet, but this is super fun. Okay, now I'm on level 5. Yep, Level 5. This is hard. And I gotta go to the bathroom so bad. So just so you know, guys, I got a game over on this. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.